You may have guessed that we like our folding bicycles. From displaying them in an IKEA Kallax shelf unit at home to discussing their multiple benefits with total strangers, we take pride in our Bromptons. When traveling by bus, train, or plane with our Bromptons, some of us rely on the low-cost IKEA Dimpa bag to protect our bikes, while others prefer more robust but pricier solutions. What about traveling by car? While we don't have to worry about rough baggage handling, we do have to be aware of the potential of scratches and other damage to our bike and the car's interior. This is particularly true when we have more than one bicycle loaded next to each other, as can be seen here when we carried our 4 Bromptons in the trunk of a subcompact Honda. In the last few years, we've relied more than usual on our car to reach our touring starting point, so we look for better ways to secure our bicycles during transit. One unique solution that we found intriguing is the Vincita Keeper. Similar in shape to a magazine file organizer, it's specifically designed to protect Bromptons or similar trifold bicycles when traveling by car. Roughly the size of a Dimpa bag, but 7 centimeters wider, it weighs 2.5 kilograms. It's made of 8mm thick nylon-covered plastic panels and provides easy access to the interior with a YKK zippered front panel. The bottom of the Keeper is configured for rolling the bicycle in and out and for easy cleaning. A front padded handle facilitates the handling of the container when in the vehicle's cargo compartment. A 6cm plastic buckle strap secures the side of the container around the bicycle during transit. It is not designed to carry the Keeper when loaded. The included cover, hidden in a zippered back pocket when not in use, can be deployed over the bicycle to keep it hidden from prying eyes while the car is unattended. It attaches with Velcro. When not in use, the entire container can be collapsed for easy storage. Alternatively, the Keeper can be used at home or in a locker to store your Brompton. Available in various color schemes, it sells for about $100 US. While that is more expensive than a plastic bag, the Keeper is considerably more robust and can provide valuable peace of mind. The Vincita Keeper offers a well-thought-out solution for those who want the best way to secure their Brompton in their vehicle. We think it's a great way to protect our favorite bicycle. Let us know what you think in the comments. We're Pam and Gilbert, and we wish to thank Vincita for providing the Keeper Box for this impartial evaluation.